can you eat with these Snap-on Smiles? Let me explain something. Brighter Image Lab and Instasmile create these cosmetic over-the-counter internet appliances where no one ever sees a dentist, and I promise you, you cannot eat with them. They actually have it on their site. You cannot eat with their appliances, and there's no dentist to adjust the bite. Snap-on Smile is the only appliance you can actually eat, folks. And I'm not talking about peanut butter and crackers. I'm talking about substance. So I've got an apple here. This patient's going to bite into the apple. These appliances literally snap into place. There's no adhesiveness needed. So we're going to check this out. Watch this.
The reason I couldn't eat apples is because my teeth were bad and I could never eat them before.
All right, so now you can. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, this is an apple, folks. It's not slices. Not slices. All right, here you go.
Thank you.
Bite into that little thing. Anything loose?
Nothing's loose.
Anything falling out?
Nope.
Can you taste it?
I can sure taste it.
Because it doesn't cover the roof of your mouth. Go ahead, have another bite.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep it.
Okay, so yes, you can eat with these, and the only appliance that you can. And I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Bye.